What's going on, guys? This is Phil over at Sonoran Banshee, working on the 10 mil. We got a couple things to do to it here for service and maintenance. We got some new tires put on it, some 25/12, which is an 80/81 RO, 14 taller hauler. Did some cleanup on the motor, wiped it down, got it all cleaned up. It was pretty dirty out there this weekend. But more importantly, we're gonna work on the two-step. So the Dyna two-step there, and then I think this switch, sorry about that, the switch here is acting up. And also this weekend we found that someone stepped on our wheelie bar mount for us and broke the junk out of it, so that's got to be repaired. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go. I'm going to tighten the chain up a little bit. I think it was making a little bit of noise. We'll give that a little bit of attention. I was making a little noise this weekend, but for the most part, it's all good to go. Cleaned up the tires, put some tire shine on it, help it stay moist so they don't get dried out. All right, guys, stay tuned. Like and subscribe.